Alright. Coming in. Alright, guys. So, put you guys over here. So we got our dash pad today. Finally. Did a good job. Alright, nice and smooth, no wrinkles, no rips or tears. And I got my helper with me today. So, we are going to attempt to put this back in the dash pad. So, let's get this party started. Over the steering wheel. Okay. Okay, so hold on, flip it back up. Alright, look underneath. You see these screw bolts that are sticking out? Mm-hmm. Alright, so look down at the dash real quickly. You see there's a hole right here. There's a hole right there. There's a hole right there. Mm-hmm. Okay, they have to go in the holes. Okay?
Yep, I'm in.
You're in? Mm-hmm. Okay, now, in that very far corner over there, mm-hmm. and in this very far corner over here, that's mm-hmm. why the dash is out. Okay? There's a little tiny screw that screws into. Put your arm in. You're going to twist your arm back and you're going to try to find that screw hole. Screw in as much as you can, finger tight, and then we'll get a socket on it afterwards. Okay?
Oh, I got it.
You got it?
Yeah.
Good job.
I don't know.
Alright, I got mine. Alright. And that's how you put the corners on. So, the rest of them, those are basically little self-tappers, the two corners. The rest of them are these tiny little, it's like almost like a cap for an actual nut. I don't know if you guys can focus and see that or not. It's just like a little plastic, I mean they're metal, but really thin metal, really hollow. But there should be 1, 2, yeah, so there should be 1, 2, 3, and 4 they're permanently fixed threads that are sticking out of the actual dash pad. They go through holes in the dash, and then you'll stick that little nut on there. Basically getting like maybe 3 or 4 turns out of it. It's not like these things are torqued down or held down really tightly or anything like that. So I believe these are 10 mil. Is this a 10 mil? Oh, 3/8. 3/8, 10 mil. You're supposed to take you know, everything else out too. You know, your stereo, your climate control. You're supposed to take it all, drop the steering wheel all the way down, so that you can get completely underneath to be able to get these on. But I was able to actually maneuver my arms once I took the dash cluster, the instrument cluster out, and once I took the glove box out. I was able to actually maneuver my arms, you know, twisting and turning to be able to get these out. Now, when you're trying to install it back in, you want to actually like push in on the dash to actually push that bolt through the hole so that you can get it started on the back side. Okay, that's the very first one in. Try coming over there and giving you a hand. Alright, there we go. Alright, now, like I said, now you're going to try to stick these on there. So you got here and here. Okay.
Hey, I got it.
You got it?
Yeah.
Good job.
I got it.
You got it? Good job, dude. Alright, now take that arm. Try to see if you can reach in and get the one that's right here.
I got it.
Yeah, I hope so.
Yeah, I got it.
Oh, you are my freaking hero.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. So this, wait, is this even the right socket? What socket is this? Oh, it's a wrong socket. No wonder you're having troubles. What is this socket?
Oh no, I was having trouble with finding it.
3/8. Try this one. That one will fit on there.
This one?
No, yeah, the long one.
This one? Okay.
Yep. My fault. Gave you the wrong socket.
It's okay.
You're over there struggling for no reason. Ladies and gentlemen, look at that. Look what I just found. A build sheet. Score. Chrysler Corporation. Car production broadcast. Sequence, vehicle number.
Oh, let's see if I did it.
Heavy duty, glass, mirrors. That's part of it. That's pretty cool. We found a build sheet.
Yeah? This
Well,
is not cool.
one of them.
This.
That was like it's the build sheet for the first part. I want to find the build sheet for the rest of it. See how these lay flat? Make sure they stay flat while you're screwing them in there, okay? When you got a small car, sometimes you need a small person. Alright, and there we go. So far, we got dash pad all in. Looking all good and nice and sexy. And the glove box is on now. Finally works correctly. Nice and good. There we go. Alright, now let's put the instrument cluster in. Okay, so let's get this where it needs to go. Alright, well, dash is in, instrument panel's in, stereo, everything, dash pad, all put back together. Steering wheel's up, back in place. We're back in park with the key off. So, alright buddy. Remember, any snap, crackling, sizzling, popping, anything, you let me know right away. Okay. Let's hook this back up. Ready? Oh, I didn't. No sparkage. Let's see if I messed anything up. Oh, turn channel works. Okay, oil gauge is on. How about dash lights? Wait. That's just dumb. Never mind. I ain't got no fuel in it. But at least we know it starts now. Okay, let's put some fuel in this bad boy. Time. Bet you we got fuel now.
Yep.
Okay, pump the other pedal.
Twice?
Go down. A couple times, yeah, just jerk it a couple times. Okay.
Okay. Guys, we got it working. It's running.
And there we have it. Car's on, she's running. Lights are all working.
1,
It's a beautiful day. Fuel gauge is awakened. Fuel gauge is working. Temperature gauge is still it's just barely creeping over 120. And the alternator sitting right in the middle. There we go. Success. Everything's looking nice in here. That will do it. Any last words of
Well, you did a good job.
yeah? Here. Good job, buddy. Thank you. Alright, we'll see you guys all on the next one. Have a good one.